Remember planting a seed as a kid and watching it grow. Now, what if that seed could make you wealthy? Welcome to the world of investing, where your money works for you. Whether you're an absolute beginner or looking to refine your strategy, today's guide will unveil the secrets to making smart investment decisions. Ready to nurture your financial garden? Let's plant your first seed. 1. Understand why you're investing. Ever embarked on a journey without knowing the destination? The world of investments isn't just about numbers. It's an intricate dance of goals, strategies, and outcomes. The first, and perhaps the most crucial step, is to understand why you are investing. For some, it might be securing a comfortable retirement, while others might aim for a down payment on a house or ensure their children's education. Setting clear, defined goals helps streamline your investment strategy. It shapes the kind of risks you're willing to take, the type of assets you'll lean towards, and the duration of your investment. An individual saving for retirement in 30 years might approach risks differently than someone saving for their kids' college fees in a decade. Your why acts as a compass, navigating you through the turbulent waters of the financial market and keeping your vision clear amidst potential distractions. Now, with your compass set, which investment avenues beckon you first? 2. Start with the basics. Stocks and bonds. Imagine being part owner of a tech giant or earning every time a government project succeeds. That's the power of stocks and bonds. Stocks, or equities, represent a slice of ownership in a company. When the company thrives, so does your investment. They're exciting, dynamic, and have historically offered substantial returns, albeit with higher risks. Bonds, on the other hand, are more like formal IOUs, where you lend money to organizations, typically governments or corporations. In return, you receive periodic interest payments and eventually, the return of the borrowed amount. They're generally seen as safer than stocks, offering consistent but potentially lower returns. Familiarizing yourself with these basics provides a sturdy foundation upon which you can diversify and build a robust portfolio. But in this sea of stocks and bonds, how do you safeguard your vessel against potential storms? 3. Risk versus reward. Finding your balance. Every rewarding adventure has its perils. How do you prepare for yours? The investment realm operates on a fundamental principle: risk versus reward. High potential rewards often come wrapped in elevated risks. It's vital to introspect and understand your risk appetite. Are you the adventurous type, willing to ride the market waves for potentially higher rewards? Or do you prefer the steadier, calmer waters, even if it means potentially lower returns? Tools like risk assessment questionnaires or even discussions with financial advisors can help pinpoint where you stand. Your risk tolerance will shape your investment decisions, ensuring you neither stay awake at night fretting over market volatility nor rue missed opportunities. With your risk appetite decoded, which investment buffet invites you next? 4. Dive into mutual funds. What if a single ticket could grant you access to a grand carnival of stocks and bonds? That ticket is called a mutual fund. Pooling together money from numerous investors, mutual funds invest in a diversified portfolio spanning stocks, bonds, or other securities. They're the perfect concoction for beginners, offering diversification, professional management, and scalability. Whether you wish to start small or go big, mutual funds accommodate various investment sizes. They also provide the luxury of letting seasoned professionals manage your money. However, it's pivotal to understand the fund's objective, its past performance, fees, and the reputation of the managing entity before investing. While mutual funds sail smoothly, how do you ensure your investment knowledge doesn't stagnate? 5. Continual learning is key. In the ever-evolving realm of finance, why is the most valuable asset between your ears? The investment landscape is fluid, with market dynamics, trends, and instruments constantly shifting. Herein lies the importance of continual learning. The most successful investors are voracious learners, perpetually updating their knowledge. This doesn't just mean keeping tabs on stocks or funds, but understanding global events, technological advancements, and emerging sectors. Economic shifts in another part of the world can ripple into your portfolio. Hence, subscribing to financial news outlets, attending seminars, or even joining investment clubs can be invaluable. The goal is to be proactive, not reactive, adapting your strategies with foresight, not in hindsight. With a repository of knowledge, is there an age-old secret to amplify your wealth? 6. The magic of compound interest. Why did Einstein famously dub it the eighth wonder of the world? Compound interest is the silent alchemist in your wealth-building journey. At its core, it's the interest on your interest, causing your wealth to grow exponentially over time. Let's say you invest a sum that earns interest. The next time interest is calculated, it's on the original sum plus the previously earned interest. Over extended periods, this results in a snowball effect. The magic intensifies the earlier you start, thanks to more compounding periods. Even if you start with smaller amounts, the compounding effect over decades can result in staggering sums, proving the adage, it's not about timing the market, but time in the market. While compound interest works wonders, how can you keep investing when finances are tight? 7. The power of consistent, small investments. In the symphony of wealth building, why are consistent notes sometimes more powerful than the loud ones? Not everyone begins their investment journey with a hefty bank balance, and that's okay. The beauty of the modern financial system is that it allows for consistent, small investments. Thanks to tools like SIPs, systematic investment plans, in mutual funds, you can start investing with amounts as minimal as a monthly dining out bill. These consistent investments, combined with the magic of compound interest, can accumulate into substantial wealth over time. This approach also diminishes the risk of market timing, as you invest regularly irrespective of market highs or lows, averaging out the purchase cost. With your money regularly flowing into investments, how do you ensure it's on the right track? 8. Regularly review and adjust. In the ever-shifting maze of finance, how often should you check your compass? Setting your investments on autopilot can be tempting, but regular reviews and adjustments are paramount. The financial markets are dynamic. A booming sector today might stagnate tomorrow. Personal milestones, like marriage, children, or career shifts, can also influence your financial goals. Annual or biannual portfolio reviews help in reassessing your investment choices, risk appetite, and financial goals. It's about fine-tuning, ensuring your ship sails smoothly, even amidst the occasional storm. With regular checks in place, how can you further insulate your portfolio? 9. Diversification. Don't put all eggs in one basket. In the culinary art of investments, why is diversity the most exquisite flavor? Diversification is the art of spreading your investments across various asset classes, sectors, or even geographies. The underlying principle is simple. Different investments will, at times, show varied performances. While one might be underperforming, another could be soaring. By diversifying, you not only hedge against risks, but also position yourself to capitalize on various growth pockets. It's akin to having multiple safety nets, ensuring that a slump in one area doesn't drag down your entire portfolio. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or even commodities, a well-diversified portfolio is often the hallmark of savvy investors. With a diversified platter, what's the final ingredient for investment success? 10. Patience, the silent guardian of wealth. In the cacophony of stock tickers and market predictions, why is patience the most harmonious note? The financial markets are notorious for their volatility. News headlines scream about meteoric rises and cataclysmic falls. Amidst this, patience is an investor's greatest ally. Hasty decisions, fueled by panic or greed, can erode wealth. True riches are often built over extended periods, across market cycles of bulls and bears. It's about seeing the bigger picture, understanding that market downturns are mere blips in a longer journey. The most iconic investors, from Warren Buffett to Charlie Munger, emphasize the power of patience, letting investments mature and grow over time. With these tenets in hand, are you ready to pen your wealth-building saga? Every masterpiece, from art to architecture, began with a vision and a single step. As we wrap up our beginner's odyssey into investing, it's essential to remember that every investor, from novices to magnates, face doubts and hurdles. Yet, armed with knowledge, clarity, and patience, they turn visions into legacies. Your journey, unique and promising, has just begun. And while today's insights have set the stage, could the most transformative investment secret be waiting just around the corner? If this guide illuminated your path, do hit the thumbs up, share your initial investment adventures, and subscribe for more financial insights. Until next time, let your wealth story unfold, chapter by enriching chapter,